Okay, so what we have right here is a black king snake. And this guy just, there we go. He is amazing. Now, you watch the other vlog, you already know about these facts I'm about to rattle off to you, but these guys are the king of snakes. Same thing with the racer right over there. They eat other snakes. They are tolerant of rattlesnake and copperhead venom. But they call these king snakes because, like I said, they literally are the king of snakes. And there are two types here in Tennessee. We have a speckled king and a black king. Now here in this area we only have the black king. The difference is the speckled king has way more of these spots all over its body. It almost consumes their whole entire body. It's absolutely beautiful. And these black kings, obviously you can see, this is what they're like. And to find any type of king snake for a herper is just amazing. And to double up with that and a racer, it's just ridiculous. So I'm gonna let Lucas get some pictures with this dude. And wow. Also they are constrictors. They are all powerful, like muscle. Like they are beasts. And look at that underbelly. Look how beautiful that is.
Yeah, that's definitely a female.
And that's a female too. That's crazy.
But yeah, this guy feels like an inflated balloon. You weren't wrong.
God.